If you're a weirdo like me, you've watched a bunch of 3-minute tire change videos. I'm going to attempt to break that record, but probably fail miserably. This will be my second Mousse change. I don't have a mechanic handing me the tools, obviously. I don't have a Rabaconda, but I have this tire changing stand. I got it because it hangs on the wall, it goes together quickly, and it seemed like a good compromise. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tire off with a Mousse in it, flip the tire to get a little more longevity, and pop it back on, see how fast I can do it. I'll be using 4 tire irons, large ones, 2 little ones, 1 wrench to loosen the rim lock. Ready, set, go. First step, loosen the rim lock. Loosen it almost all the way off. Then start jamming these in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. According to their videos, you want to start with the inside one so it doesn't attack you, so the other ones don't fly out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that oddly worked pretty well. Take those out. Flip the tire. Use your cheap Rabaconda arm. It's coming right off. Look at that. Alright, so let's not fuck this up. I'm going to flip the tire. This thing does have an arrow, so I can figure it out. It's going that way, and I'm going to go this way. Obviously the tire hasn't been on too long, so it's still fairly lubed. That's why I'm not re-lubing it. Push that in with your knee. And this is a AT81EX, so all things considered, a pretty soft tire. Actually, a very soft tire. I should have put my sprocket on the other side so I wouldn't be fighting it right now. Screw up number 1. Well, this part's a lot faster than their videos. There we go. Okay. Then, starting near the rim lock, camera grab, hook it in. Maybe like this. Seems about right. Then work my way around. At this point, I'm going to drop in one of these shitty tire irons here to keep the tire drop dead center, or not drop dead center, but drop down a bit in the rim. So when I get to the harder part, it's easier, in theory. Put your knee on it a bit. It's supposed to help. Yeah, I screwed up by putting the sprocket here, giving myself less space, but it doesn't seem so bad. Okay, so now I'm to the rim lock. Take your iron, push the rim lock forward, bring your arm down. Trying to smack yourself in the head. This is a bit tricky. Yeah. Time. But, of course, I'll tighten the rim lock up. And if it's not totally seated, I will blast some air in. But it looks pretty good, I think. I'll check the other side. And it's on there. So, Mousse is, I was kind of intimidated, but not so bad. Rabaconda, 2 thumbs up. Unit tire changer, $150.